In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Squarespace website with a custom code block. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or incorporate something specific that Squarespace's built-in tools don't quite cover, knowing how to do this can be super useful. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is going to be your starting point for adding or editing the content on your personal site. Once you're there and logged in, look for the tab labeled Website. This tab is your gateway to all the different functionalities that you can apply to your website. Ready? Great. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will take you into the editing mode where you can customize your current pages. Now that you're in the editing mode, you'll see an option to Add Block. This is where we can insert various elements into the web pages. Scroll through the options until you find Code. This is crucial because it allows you to go beyond the default templates and insert custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, enabling functionalities that could make your site more interactive or visually appealing. Click on Code. This action will introduce a new block on your page specifically allocated for code snippets. Once you've inserted the code block, another menu will appear, giving you the opportunity to click Edit. By selecting Edit, you open a text box where you can paste your desired code. This is where the magic happens. There are lots of resources online for free code snippets that can add unique functionalities or styles to your website. By pasting your code into this section, you're instructing Squarespace to integrate those new features into your site. Tip: always double check your code for errors. A misplaced semicolon or an unclosed tag can disrupt the entire setup of what's already in place. After you've pasted the code, it's always a good practice to review what you've done. Check how it looks visually on the site, because sometimes, even though the code is technically correct, it might not fit well with your site's design. Once you're satisfied with how everything appears, you're almost done. Simply click Save to ensure that all your changes are retained. And there you have it. You've just integrated a custom code block into your Squarespace website. With this knowledge, you can gradually keep tailoring your site to better suit your personal or business needs. Remember, always save your work and consider backing up your progress just to be on the safe side. Enhancing your website with custom code is as much an art as it is a science, so keep experimenting and learning. Thanks for watching and have fun building your perfect website.